Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make soothing balm. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of a carrier oil, like olive or almond, and about 1/4 cup of dried herbs such as calendula or lavender. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of beeswax pellets and a few drops of your favorite essential oils for a lovely scent and extra benefits. Now, let's infuse our oil. Combine your 1/4 cup of dried herbs with 1 cup of carrier oil in a heat-safe jar. Place this jar into a double boiler or a slow cooker set to low. Gently heat the mixture for 2 to 4 hours, allowing the herbs to release their beneficial properties into the oil. Afterward, carefully strain the oil through a cheesecloth, discarding the spent herbs. With your infused oil ready, it's time to create the balm. Return the strained oil to a clean double boiler. Add 2 tablespoons of beeswax pellets and gently heat, stirring constantly until the beeswax is fully melted and incorporated. Once melted, remove the mixture from the heat. Now, add 10 to 20 drops of your chosen essential oils, stirring them in thoroughly for fragrance and therapeutic benefits. Finally, let's get your balm ready for use. Carefully pour the warm liquid balm into small, clean, and sterilized containers, like tins or small jars. Let them sit undisturbed at room temperature for several hours, or until the balm has completely cooled and solidified. Once firm, secure the lids. Your homemade soothing balm is now ready to be stored in a cool, dark place for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.